Begin with a basic entrance into folded leaf, shaking out the arms, massage for the triceps and the shoulder blades. Use different tools, thumbs, elbows, shaking, spinning. Here we twist and traction the wrist, shoulder, elbow, and even the shoulder blade joint, as some people consider it to be a joint. Relaxing the neck and the rib cage is essential, and Lunar Acro is mostly a relaxation practice for the flyer. This is to address pec minor and some of the abdominal muscles and twisting. It's also a good relief for the neck after hanging for the first couple minutes. Now a little bit of symmetrical traction for the upper body and some deep stretching and massage for the shoulder blades. Here we can really touch the rhomboids, upper trapezius. And even a little bit of neck traction. This is the greatest for quadratus lumborum, the lower back muscle, and all the spinal erectors. Even the rhomboids here. A unique transition I invented, and then concluding with some neck traction. Some back bending. It's good to be almost horizontal for the blood flow of the flyer. Great for the shoulder blades, the abdomen, the psoas. Even a dismount and a remounting so we can address the upper chest. This is a trapezius massage with the heels. And some psoas and quadriceps stretch on the legs. Finally, Cloud 9, one of my favorite flying and basing positions. Good to open the adductors and gain trust with the flyer. Safe dismount. We can try the stretches again. Communication between the flyer and the base is essential and always welcomed.